Okay, here's something that happens to almost everyone who starts building an online business. And it is the thing that keeps people stuck in that frustrating place of getting some views, some interest, maybe even some comments, but no sales. People find you, they watch your videos or they read your post, but then they close that tab and they're gone forever. That is the leaky bucket problem. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix that leaky bucket with a simple 3-part system that captures people before they disappear. It builds a relationship with them and converts them into buyers automatically or automatically. Even while you're sleeping, even while you're at the water park with your grandkids, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like in real life. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wendy, a 57-year-old grandma of 3 from a small town in Ontario, Canada. I retired myself at 55 because I built a 7-figure income online from scratch with zero tech skills, zero marketing background, and Zippo following. This is video 3 of 4 in the How to Start a Digital Side Hustle After 50 series. In video 1, we covered the product. Video 2, we covered how to get visible and drive traffic. If you have not watched those yet, go back and start there first, because this video really builds on what I taught you in those videos. So today we're going to talk about automation, the part that makes this whole thing work for you while you're out living your life. And honestly, this is my favorite part of the whole system, because once it is set up, it runs and you can get your time back. Before we get into that, if you want help setting all of this up step by step, I have a free 3-day workshop called Passion to Profits. Over the 3 days, we walk you through finding your niche, creating your freebie, and getting your full automation set up and running. It's completely free, and you will walk away with everything built. So grab that link in the description below. So your automation system should have 3 parts to it, and every part connects to the next. Together, they create what I call my freedom machine. It's the thing that runs your business for you. Part 1 is your freebie. Part 2 is your email list. And part 3 is your checkout and your automations. Now, when all 3 of those are working together, here's what happens. Someone finds you on your YouTube video. You offer them your freebie offer, and they can find it in the description. They click on it. They put in their name and email. They automatically get added to your email list. They automatically get a sequence of emails that builds trust, makes them on offer, and then they can automatically get directed to your checkout page when they're ready to buy. The whole thing runs without you touching a single thing. That is not a dream. That is what I built. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it too. So let's start with the freebie. Every video you make, every piece of content that you put out should mention your freebie 2 or 3 times throughout the video. Something genuinely useful for that person watching. It could be a checklist, a guide, a quick PDF, something that makes them think, yes, I need that. The freebie is the bridge between somebody finding you and somebody buying from you. It's the thing that moves them from just browsing your content into a private one-on-one conversation in email, where you can actually serve them better. You can build them trust and eventually make them that offer, right? Okay, there's 3 rules to create a great freebie. Rule 1, it has to be quick to consume, not some 47-page ebook. Nobody will finish it. It can be a quick checklist, a 1-page guide, something that they can get through in 5 minutes to 30 minutes. And rule 2, it has to be actionable, real steps that they can take right now, not just information. Information is everywhere. Steps that move them forward. And rule 3, it has to move your new subscriber one step closer to paying you. Every piece of content that I create has one job: to move people closer to a sale. Your freebie is no different. At the end of it, there should be a clear, natural next step. So think about the product that you already have. Now, we talked about that in video 1 of this series. What is it that you sell? Now ask yourself, what freebie makes sense to connect to that offer? What is a small but genuinely useful taste of what you teach? Something that can give your customer a quick win and naturally leads them to the full thing. Now, let me give you an example. Say you have a full course on how to train your dog to stop barking. Your freebie could be a simple 1-page checklist, something like the 5 mistakes that are making your dog bark more and how to fix them today. It is free. It is quick to consume. It gives them a real result right away. And it makes them think, wow, if this is the free stuff, is this good? I cannot wait to see what the full course is. That's the bridge. That is exactly how your freebie works. Your content tells you exactly what your freebie should be. They should really feel like two pieces of the same puzzle and they come together. So if you need help figuring that out, that is exactly what we cover in that Passion to Profits workshop. We literally walk you through creating this. You can grab that link in the description below. What would your freebie be? If you already have an idea, put it in the comments. I would love to know, and I read every single one. All right, part 2 is your email list. I know some of you are thinking, what? Like, Wendy, email? Is that still even a thing? Well, let me hit you with some numbers that really blew my mind when I read them. That 90% of Canadians and Americans over 50 use email. That's our generation, right? Email is how we communicate. 99% of those people check it every single day. And 58%, more than half, check their email before they even get out of bed. Meanwhile, 14% of social media users check their social media first thing in the morning. So email wins every time. And here's a number that really gets me. For every single dollar you put into email marketing, you get $38 back on average. $38 back for every one you put in. That's mind-blowing. Here's how I think about it. Your YouTube videos, your content that it's like a billboard out there on the highway. People driving past, they see your name, maybe they smile, maybe they think, oh, that looks interesting, but they keep driving. Now, your email list, that is when they take the exit, they pull into the driveway, they park their car, and they come inside. You put on the kettle, you sit down together, and you have a real conversation one-on-one. They get to ask you questions, they get to know about you, they become friends. I generally mean that. Every single person on my email list feels like a friend to me. And when they reach out and ask me questions, then it's that communication that I love to hear people's stories and find out where they're at. And I hear so many things from people's emails. It's amazing. That is how I approach every email I send. And you can see how that kind of relationship is a whole lot more likely to lead somewhere meaningful than somebody just scrolling past your post or your video. And here's the thing that matters most. Your email list belongs to you. It does not belong to any algorithm. No social media platform can take it from you. Even if every platform disappeared tomorrow, I hope not, but still, you still have your people. It is yours forever. Now, I have to tell you the one mistake that I made with email for way too long, because I think a lot of you may relate to this. Every single time I went to send an email, I talked myself right out of it because I told myself that people didn't want to hear from me. And then my mentor said, Wendy, they signed up for your email because they want to hear from you. They gave you their email address because they want to learn more about what you're doing, your business. They want to hear about how your business is working. They want to know how it could work for them too. So if you don't show up in their inbox, you are doing a disservice to the people who trusted you enough to let you in. So that hit me really hard. And I never skipped an email again after that. So you want to email your list at least once a week. You want to show up. You want to be consistent. You want to treat the people on it well. Now, the people who are on your email list, they'll stay with you as long as they're finding value or they're still feeling that there's a connection. And for those who don't, they simply hit the unsubscribe button, which is so easy because people can join, people can leave, but the people who stay are the ones who are your people. And they want to hear from you. So how do you actually build your email list and run all of this? You need a platform, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I use and why. There are a ton of options out there, anywhere from Aweber to Constant Contact, and they all do the job. But what I personally use, and I keep coming back to, is System.io. And here's why. Most platforms give you a free trial, a week, maybe a month, and then they want your credit card. System.io is completely different. The whole platform is free, not a trial, not a limited version with a countdown timer, completely free for up to 2,000 email subscribers. And I'm not just talking about the email tool. I mean the entire platform, email marketing, funnels, landing pages, where you deliver your freebie. You can even host courses on there. And it also handles your checkout pages, your product delivery, your email sequences, all in one place. It is what creates all of your automations. Now, I was paying $171 a month for Aweber before I found System.io for a tool that I was honestly too scared to use. If I had switched sooner, I would have saved myself over $2,000 in a year. Like, you can build your entire business infrastructure on System.io without spending a single dollar. So you can go grab your free account, no credit card required. The link is in my description below so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, part 3 is automation. And this is the part that I want you to really picture for yourself, because this is the whole point to building this the right way. Let me tell you about last winter. Like, I took my family to Florida. We went to a water park, me, my grandkids, my whole family. We were splashing around, making memories, soaking up the Florida sunshine that we desperately miss here in Ontario in January. And while I was there making memories, my phone was going off with sale notifications. My automation was running the entire time. My freebie was being delivered. My emails were going out. My checkout page was taking orders. All of it without me touching a single thing. That is not luck. That is what you get when you build the system properly. And that is the whole point. Here's exactly how it flows inside System.io. Somebody downloads your freebie. They automatically get added to your email list. They automatically start receiving your email sequences. That's emails that introduce you, share your story, build trust, and make them an offer. And when they are ready, they automatically get directed to your checkout page and they can purchase. The whole thing runs itself. You set it up once and then it works for you around the clock, 24/7. Now, if you went with the MRR program that I talked about in video 1, the business in a box system, this whole system came pre-built for me. Like the freebie, the delivery, the email sequences, the website already done inside System.io. I just uploaded it with a click of the button and I personalized it to make it mine. That is how this non-techie grandma built a business that runs without her. That's how I completely started. So now if you want help setting all of this up with me step by step, this is exactly what my Passion to Profits 3-day workshop is all about. Over 3 days, we walk you through finding what you're passionate about, creating your freebie, and getting the full automation set up and running. We give you a complete automated system and it's absolutely free. The link is in the description below, so go grab it, get your spot, because this is where it all comes together. So here's where we land, my friend. You came into this video with a leaky bucket, people finding you but disappearing before they ever bought anything. Now you know exactly how to fix that. You got to create your freebie. Your freebie captures them. Your email list keeps them. Your automation converts them. And System.io runs the whole thing for you for free. You do not need to be techie. You do not need a big budget. You just need to set it up once and let it work for you. Now, this next video I'm going to share with you in this series, I'm going to take one idea, your one digital product that you created can bring you in sales in multiple completely different ways. And this is so powerful. Like, you're going to blow your mind. This is how I made over $60,000 last month. And that's just 2 of my multiple levels of income. One idea, multiple streams of income. I cannot wait to show you how it all works together, as this is the one that makes everything click. So if you don't see the next video right here, it means it's coming up really soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on that little notification bell so you don't miss it, because it's going to be a good one. But before you do, there's 2 things you can grab in the description before you go. You can grab your free System.io account, no credit card, completely free. So you can start with your automated system, and grab your spot in my Passion to Profits 3-day workshop where we build it all together. Get those sorted and then get yourself over to video number 4. I will see you over there, my friend.